So in our previous session, we demonstrated that you can set up your own named resources on your network. You can control how the domain name system works in your local network environment. We created some domain names in our DNS server, and a student in class wanted to create her own domain name. And we pointed it to the web server at UVI. So even though you would enter www.uvi.edu, by running your own DNS service, you have complete control over how your access to named resources on the internet works. And you take that control away from people who like to exploit and hack. Hackers know that if they can control the DNS, they can redirect you to different websites. And so what I demonstrated was how you can take the web page of a place like the Bank of America, and you can copy the source and run it on a web server, and then point the records in a DNS system, so that when people go to a specific domain name like bankofamerica.com, right? It goes instead to another website. And in the previous class, we set up felix.net on our domain name server, the DNS server, only we substituted a host record to reflect the website that UVI runs and owns. And when you went to the web browser and typed in felix.net, what you saw instead was the UVI website. And that was just to demonstrate how important it is to secure and harden your DNS services on your network. That's one of those Achilles heels. And that's what we covered in a previous class. So any questions about this before we conclude the review of our DNS segment?